Good day everyone, you're watching Creative Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix if your Microsoft Teams stop working when you're trying to join from Microsoft Edge. Now, there are a couple of steps which you could try to get this issue resolved. Now, the first step to resolve this issue is to permit web services cookies. To do this, you must turn on the web cookies directly to facilitate the Microsoft Teams website's normal function. To do this, you will have to open the run window. You can do a right click on the start button and then click on run. And in the run window, you may go ahead and type inetcpl.cpl and then click on OK. When you have Internet Properties window open, you will have to go ahead and click on Privacy. Under Privacy, you will have to go ahead and click on Advanced. Under Advanced, make sure the first party cookies is being set to accept, and also for the third party cookies is set to accept. In case if they are blocked or on the prompt, make sure they are on the accept settings, and also make sure always allow session cookies box checked. Once these options are confirmed, you may click on OK and then click on OK again. And if you are a Microsoft Edge user, you can paste the address in the address bar and hit enter. I will also mention this in the video description. You will have to open Microsoft Edge, and in the address bar you will have to copy and paste this command or the address in the address bar and hit enter. Once you are on this, you will have to make sure allow sites to save and read cookie data recommended. This needs to be checked, and you will have to go ahead and disable the block third party cookies. Make sure it is being disabled. In case if it is enabled, you will have to use this toggle button to go ahead and disable this. Once this is done, after making these changes, check if you are able to launch Microsoft Teams app through Microsoft Edge and check if your issue has been resolved. In case if that doesn't resolve this issue, the next method is to include the Teams under the trusted site. So you must include several Microsoft sites under the trusted site banner on your system. To do this, you will have to open the run window. You can do a right click on the start button and then click on run. And in the run window, you may go ahead and type inetcpl.cpl and then click on OK. Once you have the Internet Properties window, you will have to go ahead and click on the Security tab. Under Security tab, you will have to select Trusted Sites and then click on Site. And once you are on this, you will have to include a couple of sites under the Trusted Sites category, and I will mention these sites in the video description. All you have to do is you will have to copy the individual address from the video description and paste it here, and then click on Add. Follow the same steps for all the sites mentioned in the video descriptions. There are about 6 sites which you need to add under the Trusted Sites. Once this is done, you may go ahead and click on Close and then click on Apply and then click on OK, and this should fix the problem. So once these steps have been performed, what you could do is you can go ahead and try to launch Microsoft Edge and try to connect your Microsoft Teams using Microsoft Edge and check if your issue has been resolved. In case if your issue has been resolved, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Then the next method, what you could do is you will have to open the Edge on your computer and type the command in the address bar, which will take you to the Microsoft cookies. And once you're on this window, you will have to locate customized cookies behavior. Under this, you will have to locate for allowed to save cookies. You can click on add site, and under this you will have to add a couple of sites in this Microsoft Edge. I will also mention this in the video description. You may go ahead and click on yes. Repeat the same steps for all the 6 website. Once you have completed creating the list of trusted website in Microsoft Edge, you can try launching Teams on your Microsoft Edge, and that should function normally. So all these steps should definitely fix the problem. So in spite of trying all this step, and if you're still facing a problem, the next method is to go ahead and clear the Microsoft Edge cache. So the corrupted Microsoft Edge cache can lead to this problem. So to resolve this issue or to clear the Microsoft Edge cache, what you will have to do is you will have to copy the address from the video description and paste it in the address bar in your Microsoft Edge and hit enter. This will take you to the clear browsing data. You will have to locate for clear browsing data now, and under this you will have to choose what to clear, and here you will have to make sure you have browsing history, downloaded history, cookies and other site data and cached image and files is being checked, and then you may go ahead and click on clear now. Once this is done, you may go ahead and close Microsoft Edge and then try to open Microsoft Edge and then try to see if you're able to connect or to the Microsoft Teams link and see if it is working. Now all these steps should definitely fix the problem. In spite of trying all this step, and if you're still facing a problem, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with the possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.